Welcome to the future of internet. This is your random surfer on random surf. Imagine a world where communication happens instantly. Data is transferred at speed of light and the information is completely unhackable. It sounds like science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you think. Today, we are diving into quantum internet, the next revolution in how we communicate, transfer data, and keep it secure. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how the quantum internet works and why it's set to change everything. So, what exactly is the quantum internet? At its core, the quantum internet will use the principles of quantum mechanics, the weird science that governs the smallest particles in the universe, like atoms and photons, to enable communication in a completely different way. Unlike today's internet, which sends data as electrical signals through fiber optic cables, the quantum internet relies on quantum bits or qubits. These qubits can exist in multiple states at once, thanks to something called superposition. The real magic happens with quantum entanglement. When two particles are entangled, whatever happens to one instantly affects the other no matter how far apart they are. This phenomenon makes quantum communication not just faster, but instantaneous. Crazy, right? That's the foundation of quantum internet. Instant, secure communication over vast distances. Now, let's talk about security. The quantum internet isn't just about speed. One of its most game-changing features is that it's virtually unhackable. Here's why. Right now, hackers can intercept traditional data packets and tamper with them, or even copy the information without anyone knowing. But with quantum communications, things work differently. Quantum internet uses quantum key distribution (QKD) to transfer data encryption keys. What's the catch? If a hacker tries to intercept the key, the act of observing the qubits changes their state. And when that happens, both the sender and receiver are immediately aware that the communication has been compromised. So, if someone tries to spy on your quantum message, it becomes instantly obvious. This means that the quantum internet, any attempt at hacking will be detected right away. Essentially, your data will be more secure than ever before. Now, let's get into nuts and bolts of how the quantum internet would actually work in the real world. Unlike today's internet, where we rely on routers and fiber optic cables, the quantum internet will need quantum routers and quantum repeaters. These special devices will be able to handle qubits and maintain quantum entanglement over long distances. The biggest challenge today is quantum decoherence, which means qubits are extremely fragile and can lose their quantum state quickly. That's why scientists are working on quantum repeaters to strengthen signals without breaking entanglement. In the near future, major tech hubs and cities will start building quantum networks, and these will eventually connect with each other globally. Once this infrastructure is in place, quantum internet would cooperate on a scale that might rival or even replace the classical internet. So, what can we actually do with the quantum internet? The possibilities are mind blowing. First, let's start with security. The most immediate impact will be in financial transactions and sensitive government communications. With quantum encryption, we will be able to transmit data that's completely impervious to hacking. Next up, teleportation of information. While it sounds like science fiction, scientists have already demonstrated quantum teleportation, which involves transferring information about a particle's state over a distance without physically moving the particle. Then we have super fast computing. Once the quantum internet is integrated with quantum computers, we could solve problems that classical computers would take thousands or millions of years to crack. Imagine a world where breakthroughs in medicine, climate modeling, or AI can happen at lightning speeds. And finally, space communication. The quantum internet could enable faster, more reliable communication with satellites, and even space stations, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. So, now I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but how far away is this future? Well, we are already making huge strides. Several countries, including the United States, China, Europe, have already developed quantum communication networks on a smaller scale. For example, China recently demonstrated secure quantum communication between Beijing and Shanghai using satellites. And in the US, there are projects underway to create a national quantum internet. But scaling it up is the tricky part. We are still at least a decade or more away from having a fully functioning global quantum internet. Scientists need to overcome challenges like maintaining qubit stability over long distances and developing cost effective quantum infrastructure. But make no mistake, this future is coming and it will be worth the wait. So, there you have it, quantum internet. It's faster, it's more secure, and it has the potential to completely reshape our digital world. If you are excited about this groundbreaking technology, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on the future of tech. And let us know in the comments, what would you want to use the quantum internet for? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.